Well, hi folks, today I'm just going to show you how I make some of these like flattened urn pots. As you can see, they're just like a round pot, but they're then flattened on the table at about 45 degrees, so that then you can just plant a plant in and it'll trail out. So quite good, they're quite effective. So we'll get on and make a few of these. Alright then folks, we'll get on and make a few of these. So again, same size ball of clay as all the rest have been. £2 ball. Hole in the bottom again, just by sticking my finger right through to the vat. So with this shape I'm just going to make a cylinder again. Because they're quite round at the bottom, I want to squeeze it right in at the bottom. Might go a little bit off centre. Then we'll just belly it out, try and make a sort of spherical sort of shape. Bring it in at the top. Just roll the top over. So because these are only flattened on the bottom and the bottoms are always stay quite moist, obviously the bottom of the pot's always the wettest. You don't have to be too bothered about them drying out like the others that I had to flatten the actual rim, because I'm just going to be squashing these onto the table. So I'll do a couple more of these. Again, this clay is very soft, a lot softer than I throw my normal stoneware clay, but it just makes it easier to throw. And as I keep saying, terracotta is a very forgiving clay, it's very easy to throw, so you still can throw it really soft and it's still got the strength. I'm just going to lift it into a cylinder. Narrow the bottom in again. Just stretching it from the inside out. I'm only using this hand just to sort of support it. It's just a matter of pushing it from the inside out. And again, just making a little rim like that. just do one more and that should be about it, I think. So there we go. So like I said, what I'll do, I'll let these dry out a little bit so that the top gets a bit drier, and then tomorrow I'll just turn them, cut them, and then just basically on that angle just plonk them down onto the table so that they'll stay in that position. Then you can put your plants out of there and they'll grow out like ivies and things, and they just sit on the floor with a sort of an opening at 45 degrees. So that's these little terracotta pots done.